Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. And this is me, Jalila Abdessalam from English Comfort Zone. Today, I hope you'll enjoy your time with me. Today, we are going to talk about English speaking. So we have English speaking, some ideas about someone, about oneself, how to introduce yourself, how to give some information about yourself. So this is an introduction about oneself. Let's start and go on. Number one, how can you talk about yourself? Some questions with some alternative answers, some answers and their alternative, whether to questions or to answers, and to talk, give you some flexibility to talk about yourself. So let's start. Number one, if someone asked me about my name, they would say, what is your name? Another question with the same meaning, who are you? Who are you? What do they call you? What do people call you? We say, my name is Jalila, for example, or I am Jalila again, for example. A second question, where were you born? What is your home country? Or what is your nationality? Or what nationality are you? The four questions give the same meaning. I wanted to say, I am from which country? And what do we mean by country? Country, the place like, for example, France, like Egypt, like, for example, America. These are countries. When I say, this is my home country, it is the place where I was born. And what is your nationality? What do we mean by nationality? Nationality, I say, for example, I'm from Egypt, so I'm Egyptian. Egyptian is the nationality. French, American, Italian, these are all nationalities. So what nationality are you? I would say, I was born in Egypt. My home country is Egypt. So I'm Egyptian. My nationality is Egyptian. I am Egyptian. What do you like to do in your free time? What is your favorite leisure activity or leisure activity? What do you do during holidays? These are different questions to give one meaning. What is your hobby? What do you like to do in your free time? So I can say, for example, I usually visit some relatives. And what do I mean by relatives? People related to me by blood, like uncles, like aunt, grandparents, and others. So I usually visit some relatives. I sometimes play tennis. I often listen to my favorite music. And what do I mean by the word favorite? Of course, this is an adjective and it means something I like most. I like to do, I like to eat like that. I always chat with my friends. I always chat with my friends. What do I mean by chat? It means to talk on social media app like Messenger, like WhatsApp, like that. So we have different answers here to the same questions. I can say, I can do that, I usually do that, I often do that, I always do that, according to the activity you do in your free time. Number 4, who is your best friend? Or we can say, who do you like to spend your time with? Or we can say, who is very close to you? Your best friend, or someone you like to spend your time with, or very close to you, very near to you, you love most, you like to spend your time with. I can say, for example, my best friend is, and I give the name. Or another answer, I like to spend my time with, then I give the name. Or I give a name and then say is very close to me as he or she is my best friend. These are different answers to the same question, different questions to the same answer. Another one, How many languages do you speak? What do you mean by the word languages? I say a language like what? These are symbols people used in order to understand each other's. Like, for example, Japanese, Arabic, French, English. These are all examples of languages. So I can say, for example, my mother tongue or my main language or my first language is Arabic. I speak English very well. I love to learn about languages. So I know some French and a little Japanese. I wanted to tell you, my friends, that when we talk, we have different options. We have different possibilities. So everyone will talk from their point of view. And what do we mean by the word mother tongue? Mother tongue means a language you talk since the time you were born. Like, for example, I'm from Egypt, so I speak Arabic from the very beginning of my life. So Arabic is my mother tongue, is my first language, it's my main language. This is what do we mean by mother tongue. Another one. Do you like traveling? What country will you visit if you travel outside your own home? Do you like traveling? What do you mean by traveling? Traveling means to move from one place to another, to go from one place to another. Which country will you visit if you travel outside your home country? Home here, I mean home country. The place where you were born. I would say different options we can say. Well, I like traveling. I like to visit, for example, Southeast Asia countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. They have wonderful nature, and I am fascinated by nature indeed. If someone like traveling, and what do we mean by travel? I say to travel from one place to another, to go from one place to another. And what do we mean by the word nature? We see these countries have beautiful nature, wonderful nature. Nature means everything done by God, everything done by Allah. So we can see mountains, bodies of water, green places, woods. These are all features of nature. In fact, if someone wants to travel or likes traveling, but if someone doesn't want to travel or doesn't like traveling, we say, no, in fact, I don't like traveling at all. I prefer to stay in my home. I prefer to do some activities at home. I prefer to go to different places in my home country, not to go outside. This is another different point of view. And I wanted to add an idea here, my friends. If we wanted to talk about an idea, then we have another idea. We have to relate, to make a link, to make a relation between the idea before and the idea after, the situation before and situation after, according to the kind of relation between them. So I'm here continuing my word to say will at the very beginning. We can say in fact, we can say indeed, we can say actually, like that. Yes. Number 7. Do you like shopping online? Do you like shopping online? So we can have two different points of view here. Someone likes shopping online, they would say, yes, I like shopping online, as it is easy to find any item, anything you want online. I'm sometimes lazy to go from a shop to another shop, to go among shops in order to find something. I think it's a waste of time to go shopping in real life. This is someone wanted to support their point of view about shopping online is much more better than shopping in real life. But for example, if I don't like that, I will say what should I say? I can say, for example, no, I don't trust shopping online at all. Sometimes you order something and you get another different order completely. Sometimes you get your order damaged. out of date, for example. Mostly it's not okay. I have tried it several times, but it wasn't a good chance for me. So I don't like this idea at all. I like to shop in real life. It's a picnic for me. I like to enjoy my time going between or among shops from here to there, searching for the items I like, and I usually have my order quickly. Number 8, describe your bedroom in 3 sentences. What does it look like? We can say bedroom, it is the place where I sleep. You can describe in 3 sentences or 4, whatever, but 3 sentences suitable to say. Like, for example, what should we say? I can say, for example, well, in fact, indeed, actually, yes, of course I can. It is a wide room. There are 2 windows with light brown curtains on them. And the rug on the floor is black. What do we mean by the word curtains? These are pieces of cloth to be put on windows as kind of decoration. Usually they are fancy pieces or colorful pieces with different attractive colors. This is a kind of decoration. And the rug on the floor is black. What do we mean by the rug? This is the cover on the floor. It is black. So this is a sample answer also. Another one would say a different answer. Yes, let's go. Number 9, how many meals do you have a day? How many meals do you have a day? Every one of us has different eating habits. So as an example, I would say I have 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, this is the morning meal. Lunch, this is the afternoon meal. And then dinner, this is the evening meal. Another one would say, no, I have only 1 meal a day. I don't like to eat too much. A third one would say, in fact, I'm on a diet and I have 5 meals a day. But don't worry, these are not 5 big meals, just 3 major and 2 snacks. What do we mean by snacks? Snacks, these are light meals, small meals, short meals, like a piece of fruit or vegetables like that. These are light. Light means they have less fats and carbohydrates. Less fat like oils and something like that. And what do we mean by carbohydrates? This is a kind of nutrient in foods like bread, for example, like bread and rice. Carbohydrates give much energy to the body. Number 10, have you tried to eat healthy food? Have you tried to eat healthy food? What do we mean by the word healthy? Healthy means good for health, means makes you fit, means makes the body strong, means build the body up. This is healthy food. We can have here different points of view also. Someone would say, yes, in fact, I think I really do, because I like to eat more fruits and vegetables than carbohydrates and fats. Another one would say, no, I don't like healthy food by any means. I don't like to eat fruits. I don't like to eat fresh vegetables. I just like to go outside and have meals at restaurants. I just like to eat pizza. I just like to eat fast food. So fast food is much more delicious and attractive at the same time. But healthy food, no, it doesn't attract me at all. A different point of view. Another question, do you like meeting people? Do you like to make new friendships? Are you a sociable person? Do you like to go to parties? Are you invited to different occasions in your community? These are different also alternative questions with the same meaning. Do you like to go and spend your time outside with people or not? Someone would say, in fact, I don't like to meet people, to meet new people. I prefer to stay at home. Yes, really, a homebody. I'm a couch potato. I'm a homebody. I am a couch potato. What do you mean by these sentences all give the same meaning? Someone who don't like to go outside home. someone who likes to stay home, to make activities at home, like watching TV, like that, or surfing the internet, like that. Homebody is the same as couch potato. These are slang expressions. Homebody is an American slang. This if someone does not like to go outside and meet new people. Another one would say, yes, sure. I love to meet people most and make new friendships. My pleasure is when I spend enjoyable time with my friends outside. Yes, sure. I often hang out with my friends for a long time. I'm a social butterfly. I have friends from different countries. This helps me to learn about people's customs and traditions. This is really interesting. So what do we mean by here? He is fascinated by meeting people, keeping outside home. So he is or she is a social butterfly. Social butterfly means someone who is always outside, attending parties, meet different people, know different people outside, hang out with friends for a long time, and so on. So this is a good way to know about people's customs and traditions. And what do we mean by customs? Customs means these are kind of activities to be done by or shared by people in the same community or the same society at the same time. More social customs and traditions to give nearly the same meaning but slightly different. Traditions may be more related to religion, maybe more older in time. My friends, we come to an end, and here all the keywords, all the difficult words in my presentation. I already have explained them while teaching, while explaining. At the same time, I try to get them all here in order to make it easy for you. So I will pronounce these words again quickly and shortly. So you have country, home, country, nationality, leisure, British pronunciation, and leisure, American, leisure or leisure, relatives, favorite. Then we have chat. Then we have clothes, mother tongue, fascinated, travel, and remember to pronounce sh between the t and the r, the ta and the, so it is tra, not tra. The same is correct with d and the r. D and the R, we have to pronounce sh in between, so it is travel. Then we have nature, British, nature, American. Then we have curtains. This is British, and the American is drapes. Another word, drapes. Carbohydrates. Then we have customs, traditions. Then we have homebody, couch potato, homebody, couch potato. Social butterfly, hang out. This way, my friends, we come to an end. Thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you enjoy your time with me, and please do not forget to subscribe, like my video, and share it at the same time. Thanks and goodbye for now.